Today is not really a perfect day, but we're still gonna do something on the Scion TC, so stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. How are you guys doing? Today we're gonna be replacing the PCB valve, which is that one right there. I'll put a link on the description where to get that one. It's from Toyota, and so there's gonna be a few steps to replace this, and I'll show you guys in a minute. Unless your car has really low miles, I wouldn't suggest to replace it, but if it doesn't, go ahead and replace it because it's cheap, so go ahead and do it. Okay, so to start, we're gonna be removing this guy with the 10mm. Let's take it out. Okay, once that out, we can see how ugly this looks. Okay, since it's covered, like. Okay, and so that's the guy that we need to replace, and I can see a crack on that hose, so we're gonna need a hose also. And give me a second. All right, so with a set of pliers, we're gonna be removing this guy right here and the one on the bottom right there, and let us see the PCB valve so we can take it out. Okay, so that is out. We're gonna reuse these guys because the new hose didn't came with it. So now we're gonna remove that. All right, and for the hose, just type that number in Google or eBay and you'll find it. And also make sure that your engine is cold. Don't do it on a hot engine. Wait until it's cold so you don't break anything and you don't burn yourself. All right. Okay, so to take that out, we're gonna use a 22mm, and we're just gonna go ahead and take it out. So go this way, lefty loosey, and then just keep going because it's kind of long. So let's keep going at it. So it finally comes out. Okay, you guys hear that? Let me do it with this hand because I don't know if you guys can hear that, but you can dance some cha-cha-cha with this. This one over here, it doesn't stop anymore. And look at that, that's horrible. So if you have a lot of oil consumption on your TC or any Toyota that has this type of engine, this might be the cause. Look at that. Compare this with this. Look at that. It's ugly. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put this back in. Now, I should point something out that this was not completely all the way tight. So I'm just gonna do it the way that I found it. It's not completely tight. It was a little loose. I don't know if that's gonna affect anything, but I'm gonna do it just like that. So now I'm gonna replace this on the new hose, which is right here, and we'll go from there. And there you go, good as new. Okay, so I've been driving the car for like a day now, and I just want to see if I see any leakage, if anything is leaking. So let's see if I can pick it up and you guys can see it also. So it's right there. right there. I don't see anything leaking at all. I don't know if it's supposed to leak, but I don't see any oil leaking or anything like that. So everything looks good. The job is done. Alright, and with that I'm gonna conclude the video by saying thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for the new subscribers, and for the ones that haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.